We've got this too. What is this? Currently busy with the transmission. So we already pulled this back part off from here. This is the first time we're doing something like this. We've never attempted this. We're watching other people's YouTube videos. They take it apart like they disassembling pieces of Lego. And then we've got this drum out from the front. So now we need to get all those out from the inside. And then we've got this too. What is this thing called? Oh, there's a two retainer. The springs inside here that holds like little. It actually holds the drums in place there. And then we've got this is the kit that we got for all the seals and O-rings and you name it. If we need to replace, nice thing is they're all marked. Actually, I'm being lazy. I've got the whole bloody ZF manual on my laptop. I can get that now, and we can see exactly what we need to do. So there's two seals inside here. We popped the one out already. So there's this spring that goes in there, and then a circlip that's absolutely useless. And then, yeah, I tried first with this, but it wasn't working. So now, I'm using a bolt. This one's been stubborn. Always be one. Yeah, we'll pluck some. Next. Obviously never worked this far. This is a T27.
Yes, it's on here. Where is that?
Oh my goodness, stuff. Stop down to maybe a couple of Corsair's engine torque 1.2. Oh, cool, everything is full of wood.
Yeah.
And it's holding in for dear life. I need to remove this steel spring from inside here. Look at that, I think there's two of them and there's another one inside.
Yeah, the other one inside doesn't come.
Just never gonna fit in.
Yeah. It's not a very hard slip. It's like soft.
We full of tweet the drum.
Giant snip.
One out.
No, now the basket should slide up.
Can you guide from the back with the shaft there?
No, that doesn't move. Only the basket comes up.
This basket?
Yeah.
This one can stay inside?
Yes. That will come out last.
Okay, I'm gonna get this basket out of here. It's so very slippery. Oh. No. Most probably. And that's why I was using the hammer. That's why it's stuck.
Yeah, you must be very strict with the systems.
hope the owner is listening nicely. What Duli said, that they charge a lot. That's why they charge a lot, because you're paying for their patience.
Oh, don't push it also. Oh. It's a corner.
Yeah, that's
Oh, a magnet.
what it was. I never said it's magnets.
Wow.
Okay, just tap the screen. That's one out. Which drum is this?
No idea. Something else.
It's A, B, C, D, E. I don't know. Maybe H, I, Z. I don't know. We don't know. We'll figure it out.
Eventually.
See, none of this. Yeah. Just checking around here. Nothing is damaged. Oh, you pluck some. Nothing serious. The race bearing just fell off.
Just needs a clean up.
Yeah, and oil. Okay. Look at the teeth. Look at my hands. It's time for an invasion. Aliens. Now that one inside.
Not so funny.
This is what we are doing. Watching a YouTube video to make a YouTube video.
DIY.
Yeah. How to break your 5 HP 24 that's already been broke.
It's going from working.
We need to pull the next one out. Drum. One of the letters of the alphabet. I have no clue. We take out first and read the manual after.
That one comes out with the whole chunk. Oh. What the hell just happened?
This just came off.
Then that must be back there. Put it on afterwards. The gears must not fall out from there, but that one comes out with the chunk. So you can just pull on the chunk.
So guys are listening. Please making me nervous. Yeah. Yeah, this one's heavy.
Big gears, let's say.
Yes, just.
You see how he just pulled it up.
Yeah, he must be jumping. I don't jump. Oh. Okay, that's a sign I need to jump.
Oh my goodness.
That just came out now and almost crushed my fingers. I think I need to start taking. I need to start jumping. These are heavy. No, that's okay. As long as we open up the stuff, yeah, then we have to evacuate the garage door. I just blew my nose. That one inside, that's the F. No. Oh, the F is behind that one. Oh, so it's right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the camera is going sharp. That will last more to the
Just place you.
Yeah, it's fine. This looks like something that belongs in the mine. So here's all that nasty black stuff.
Say this one. Okay, so
Okay, so now all we got left is the F drum, which we have to spin around. Hopefully this thing will be a little bit lighter. Hmm?
it's not more free. It shouldn't be that heavy now. Still heavy. That is heavy. So it's alright. What? It looks like it's extra.
No, it's like that thing looks small. You turn it around and then half of the calf will come out. So again, the gremlin strikes. Everything was going too smoothly. We were busy removing these bolts. And then it just came to that one. You can see there what it looks like. The threads just came clean out. Tapped them all nicely with the hammer to try and loosen it. You can see here's part of it stuck here on. So now I have a problem. So upon closer inspection, you see here, we do know the transmission was open before, but that is suspicious. It looks like somebody tried. So when we put the socket in there and tried to turn it, it just decided to go poof. Bloody idiots. So that's what's left of that bolt. I had to drill it out. Luckily, let's pick that up there. The F clutch, it didn't actually seize onto. Came out quite nice. Which one was it?
I don't even
Mini, 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 more, whichever one it was. It came out
Personally, I
nicely.
think so.
Yeah, it didn't damage the thread luckily. So all that came out nicely. Now we need to get another bolt. And yeah, this is thank you to Mr. Festool for drilling so nicely. Sheer accuracy. So all these things here now. Now we have to take off seals, O-rings, whatever other things. There's Teflon seals as well. We'll do them one by one. But first we need to take this bloody thing outside and give it a good scrubbing, a good cleaning, because obviously if you look, let me just put the light on. You see there's metal filings there now because when I was drilling. So we're going to have to blast this thing out properly. Make it look like new. Because I cleaned this side and I showed everybody this side looked nice, but this side looks like shit again. So that's next. And I think we'll resume the video when we start assembling everything. When we start putting all the seals and stuff. That will be the next video. Ciao.